What is a boss extrude? Now we get to the fun part. This is the moment where we raise our foot onto the table and do absolutely nothing.
This report lacks depth.
What?
It needs more depth.
I think that's enough.
More depth! More depth! More depth!
I think that's enough depth. Boss extrude is one of the most commonly used features in SolidWorks. It converts a 2D sketch into a
3D geometric shape
by adding depth to the sketch itself. To use the Extrude Boss Base tool, you first need to create or enter a sketch. Once you enter the sketchbook realm and made a sketch, head over to the feature toolbar and select Extruded Boss Base. As a funsies, you can click and drag the preview arrow in the graphics area to get a rough estimate of the depth. However, for precise modeling, we typically enter our dimensions directly into the Boss Extrude property manager. Here, the Boss Extrude has a couple of different menus to explore. The From category determines where the extrusion begins. By default, it starts from your existing sketch plane. There are other options depending on the design intent you have planned. For example, you can start from a specific surface, plane, vertex, or even an offset from your current sketch plane. You will also notice a Direction 1 menu underneath the From category. This tells SolidWorks how far and in what manners you want the shapes to be extruded. There are many different end conditions available, such as blind, midplane, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, and even up to body. You can also flip the extrusion direction by clicking the reverse direction button next to them. By default, the end condition is set to blind. A blind extrusion extends the sketch in a single direction by a specific distance. Simply enter the desired path, and SolidWorks will generate a preview of what the shape will look like. There are instances where other options in the direction menu are more appropriate. For example, midplane extrudes equally on both sides of the sketch plane, while options such as up to surface or up to vertex allows the extrusion to extend until it reaches a selected reference. Depending on the design intent, you can also enable Direction 2 if you want the sketch to extrude another direction with a different depth or end condition. You may also use Thin feature tool to create an extrusion with a specified wall thickness instead of a complete solid shape. This is also how you can make specialized donuts. Once you're done with the extrusion, click the green check mark at the top of the property manager, and congratulations! You have finally transformed your 2D sketch into a simple 3D extrusion. Play around with the different end conditions and options, and try to visualize what each one does to the sketch itself. The more you experiment, the easier it becomes to understand which option best fits your design intent. And now you know.